In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87e0000f. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button, then wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then move on to the next solution, and that is to check for the network. So check if your network is connected or not. So check if your device is connected or not. Click on this one, and then check if it marked here connected. If it marks here no internet, try to connect to another network device that is available in your area and check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then you need to try to sign out your Microsoft account and then sign it in again. Okay? Once you do that, check if the error has been resolved. Okay? But if not, then you can do the last solution, and that is to disable the antivirus temporarily. So try to disable the antivirus temporarily. And then once you have disabled it, I want you to navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for the store, then once you have done it, I want you to wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store application, where we need to reset the application. So once you have seen it, please make a right click, click for app settings, and then once you have once you have opened this one, scroll down and click for reset. Then click for reset again. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done with it, close the window. Copy this command at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, please proceed here at the bottom search bar. This time, type for PowerShell. Then, once you have typed it, please wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell, and you need to run this one as an administrator. So please click for Run as Administrator, and then please copy and paste the command that I have given. So you need to select it first, then Control C, then make a right click here to paste it. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once you have completed the procedure, restart your computer and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.